Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Kinder Beauty box unboxing for January 2022. But before we get into that, I did want to share I am wearing the Medusa's Makeup Baked Eyeshadow in the color Envy today, right on the actual lid, and I think it's beautiful. It's such an ethereal, dreamy, nature kind of green on the lid. I thought it would be way more intense, and granted you probably can get this more intense if you use a tackier base. I used a very bare bones eyeshadow base, and I think it just turned out really magical and romantic, and I think I'm gonna keep it. I love it. I think it's beautiful. So beautiful. So that is my thought on that. I will have that linked down below. I'll link to anything else I'm wearing down below if you're interested in if it is in existence still and I can find it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into January's box. So when they sent out the email for you to pick which box you get, because I think after you're subscribed for so long, you get to choose. They do 2 variations of the box and you get to choose which one you want it. I wasn't really wowed by either of them, to be honest. They both seemed just kind of meh. So I don't even remember what pushed me to choose this one. I think I just picked one. So the first item in here is from Rosatique. It is the Rosa de Maskenza. It's a brightening mask. And it says hydrating and brightening. Really pretty pink packaging. Sorry, my nails are busted. I know I was picking at them during a meeting earlier. I need to repaint them. But let's read about this. This is a $6 value, and it says move over every other mask in your cabinet. Made of 80% rose Damasceno water containing over 250 flowers, which I don't think is something to brag about because I don't think rose water is actually particularly good for the skin. My opinion, you might love it. This Powerhouse mask brightens skin, delivers anti-inflammatory properties, and reduces appearance of fine lines. So I'm excited to try it. I mean, I am worried about the fragrance. I feel like it might be really fragrant, especially if the water they're using is infused with 250 flowers. That feels intense. But like I always say, masks are for fun for me. These are fun activities, they are relaxing activities, they are soul food activities, not necessarily skincare activities. So I'm excited to try it, and you will hear my thoughts on it whenever I do try it and put it into my empties. So then the next product, let's just pick one. Okay, this is from Franklin and Whitman. It's the Vitamin C Eye Serum, age-defying formula, squalane and chamomile. So that chamomile already instantly makes me think I'm not putting this on my face. But yeah, and it's got citrus oil, so I'm definitely not putting this on my face. I'll be giving this away, but let's see if I can get the camera to focus for you guys. I don't know why it never wants to focus. There we go. And let me read to you a little bit about this product. So let's see, it's a $39.95 value. So it always feels like the most expensive product in the box is something I have no intention to use, which I'm getting really irritated about because it's feeling that way for every box lately. But anyway, this Powerhouse Serum features concentrated vitamin C to reduce discoloration and boost the appearance of collagen-rich skin, while moringa oil and squalane join the action to soothe and smooth out fine lines. So that's a disappointment that it's got all that fragrant stuff in there. And not to mention, it's an eye product. Why do you want chamomile and citrus oil and all these other fragrant oils? Although those 2 seem like the worst. My voice is doing some weird stuff right now. But yeah, especially the chamomile and the citrus oil. They have fragrance. Why do you want that so close to your eye? I feel like that's going to make your eyes water. I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. I don't mean to be whiny and complaining. I'm going to chill. So the next product is from Sukin, Australian Natural. So it must be an Australian brand. That's kind of cool. Original Hydrating Mist Toner. Paraben and alcohol free. It's great that it's alcohol free. chamomile and rose. Yeah. So here it is up close, but I'm not going to be using it. Let me read you the description. So it is a $2.99 value. Okay. Well, at least that feels appropriate. What are the ingredients here? Yeah, nothing crazy. So that feels like a very appropriate valuation. Sometimes you get these mists and they have the craziest number on them, and I'm like, I know those ingredients cost like $1 if you're making it in this quantity. Anyway, that's an aside. This ultra hydrating mist toner will give your skin a little pick-me-up any time of the day or night. Chamomile and rose water soothe and purify tired skin, while a couple of spritzes over makeup will give you a perfectly refreshed complexion. Now, I guess if you're using it over makeup, there is kind of that barrier. Maybe it's not as bad, but it's still not something I'm planning to use. Let's see, next product. This is from Delia Organics, and it is a cleansing melt. So I am always happy to get a cleanser type product. So let's read about it. It is a $19 value, and it says, say goodbye to dehydrated cleansers with this vanilla scented cherry kernel oil melt. Now, I don't feel like you need a scent in a product that is to melt off your makeup, because if you think about it, where do we stick a boatload of makeup on our eyes? And you don't need a fragrance in your eye. That just screams irritation in my mind. But well, I'll come back to that. Let's continue. All natural emulsifying action gently lifts away makeup and dirt while giving your skin the hydration. So I am going to definitely keep this and try it when I finish the one I have open right now. I think I've got like a pharmacy makeup cleanser thing on open right now on my vanity, but I am hesitant because the Delia Organics eye product, it was like an under eye product that I had previously that did not have fragrance or anything in it, caused my eyes a great deal of irritation. I had to give it away completely because it was just really irritating to the eye. So having a product from them that does have fragrance in it makes me feel like it's going to irritate my eyes even more, but I'm willing to give it a try since it is a cleanser and that's not something that's going to remain on my face and soak into my skin. I'm going to wash it right off. So I'm interested. I'm hesitantly interested. And there's one product left. Look at the tiny little container. It's so cute. Let's see. Let's open it up. There's a sticker. Here we go. Really cute. And it says Peak Metally Matte Naturally Quick Drying Blush in the color Hours. That looks like it's going to be a beautiful color. I do want to swatch that for you guys, but let me read you the description first. So it says, Metally Matte Quick Drying Blush Shade Hours, $18.50 value. Get the best of both worlds with the subtle and alluring blush. A smooth matte cream blush that finishes as a powder. This blush in the shade Coup. I didn't get the shade Coup, I got the shade Hours. That seems like a weird editing issue. Is blended to give your cheeks a touch of color and sheen. Now I wonder if the other box got the same thing, but in the shade Coup, and they just didn't end up inputting the word Hours where Coup was. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and give this a swatch. It feels really nice. It's very smooth. Oh wow. Oh, this is actually very pigmented. I did not need to rub it as much as I did. I probably could have just tapped. There you go. That's a gorgeous kind of like natural flushing color. I think that'll be really, really pretty. And given how pigmented that is, I feel like this can really span the gamut of skin tones too. I feel like someone as light as me can make it work, and someone actually fairly dark skinned could make this work too. I think it would be beautiful and quite an array. So that's everything I got in my box. I feel like 3 of these products I'm definitely interested in and going to use, and I'm hesitant about these 2 given the fragrance, but I'm gonna give them a try anyway. The blush seems really pretty and really versatile, but these 2 products, which are probably the most expensive, no. This is $40 and this is, oh, this one's not expensive, this is $3. So not jazzed about these, gonna end up giving them away. I just can't stand how they throw all these essential oils in natural skincare, or like vegan friendly skincare, or however you want to word it. I just feel like they don't serve any real purpose, in my opinion. So I'm kind of annoyed about that. But I did get 3 products I'm interested in, so I guess that's not terrible. 3 out of 5. I do like that the Kinder Beauty box usually always comes with 5. That way it does kind of give us a chance to skew things in the right direction. Overall, gonna give it a B, just a solid flat B. Not a B minus, not a B plus, just a B, because the 3 products I am interested in seem like they're gonna be great products if the fragrance doesn't irritate me. So that is my opinion on this month's Kinder Beauty box, and if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and I am posting at Amandaphenomenon.com. Check that out. Link is in the description if you're interested, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye.